Well, we are a not-for-profit educational enterprise. We offer a broad range of graduate programs. All of our programs are targeted toward graduate students, young professionals, mid-level professionals. We offer an interdisciplinary, international, and intercultural environment. We teach all about space from pretty much any discipline that you could imagine. Everything from engineering to business and management, policy and law, space and society. We feel like the humanities element is really, really important. Space architecture, human space flight, life sciences. Pretty much, if you can think about it, and then there's any element to do with space, or that discipline is in any way associated with space, we probably have a lecture or workshop or some kind of course that addresses it. Our two main programs, our flagship program is the Space Studies program. It's a 9-week, incredibly intensive, interdisciplinary course in general space studies. We start with the first 3 weeks is just core lectures and workshops and kind of getting everybody on the same level, because our participants are not just engineers and scientists, but we even let attorneys take this class. We have philosophers, dentists, physicians. We've had travel agents. We've had retired people who just wanted to take the course. We've had the full range of space professionals and graduate students and just people who wanted to broaden their perspective take the summer program. So we have to get them all, on the same level. The next 3 weeks of the program, we focus on departmental activities. We have 7 departments: engineering, physical sciences, life sciences, space applications, management and business, law and policy, and then the space and society. So the participants choose a department, and the time is spent going more into depth, studying that particular aspect of space, and then it all wraps up in the last 3 weeks where they finish up their team project. And that's really kind of the most interesting and fun element of the program, because we give them a challenging problem to work on for the entire 9 weeks. That the teams start working in the first week, and they work on this project for the 9 weeks, and they self-organize. They figure out how to work among the different cultures and the different ways of doing things, and it's usually a highly interdisciplinary project. So when it comes out at the other end, they're all, we never know what we're going to get, but it's always very, very interesting and very entertaining. So that's the summer program. We have a master's program. It's a 1-year master's. It's equivalent to the M2, if you're familiar with the Bologna system that was just put into place 5 or 6 years ago. And we target young graduates up to, kind of young professionals in that program. And then we have other programs, the Executive Space course. We have our Executive MBA, Masters of Business Administration, for, mid-level management that wants to take that next step. And then we have other professional development courses that we can offer, upon request. So we've got a broad range of programs. We are doing a new program in the Southern Hemisphere in partnership with the University of South Australia, and it's basically it's similar to our SSP, only it's a 5-week program, and it's offered during the Southern Hemisphere summer. So it's the Southern Hemisphere Summer Space Program, or the SHSSP, which none of my French colleagues can say very quickly. But that's the only program that we'll admit undergraduates, but we require at least 2 years of undergraduate study to be considered for that program. But So we've got a lot going on. It's very exciting, very enthusiastic student body, and I feel like we're accomplishing our mission of, you know, building inspiration and providing a good educational grounding for space professionals. I'd like to let people know that there's still time to apply for the Space Studies program. The application deadline this coming summer, we're going to be at Florida Tech, beautiful campus in Melbourne, Florida. We are partnering with Kennedy. Well, Florida Tech and Kennedy have partnered to host this year's SSP. It's going to be hot, but you know, it'll be a lot of fun. Florida Tech's got amazing facilities. We're getting superb support from Kennedy. And if people are interested, they can learn more about the program on our website.
What is
the website is www.isunet.edu. And then just click on the SSP button and find out all you want to about it. But the application deadline is not until March 30th, so there's still well over a month for, well, not much over a month, but about a month's time left for people to apply. So we'd love to have you in Florida. The more the merrier.